Okay, it's recorded. Okay, I need to close the envelope first. Where is close this? And we actually have added the room dependencies. So just go to the entity and then to the entity. So actually we need to edit this as a table of our database. So mark this as entity. And the table name is going to be to-dos, but yeah, it's up to you. In this, gonna use index, value, ID, and then it's value, ID, and then it's unique. Okay, it's for indexing. And then also I will mark this as primary key. I will make auto generate false because ID is actually from our response. So yeah, I will this column info, name, title. This also is completed. Boy, it's error. Okay, I think it's okay for to do, and then we need to move to the DAO. Inside the to do, we need to create a new package, call it local. Inside the local, we need to add a new interface, call it to do DAO. It's actually like to do API, but API is requesting the data from the network, but the DAO is requesting data from our database, local database. Mark it as DAO. We only need some insert on conflict strategy, replace. We'll copy this, then function insert to do entity. Like this, copies, and then function insert all to do's list of to do entity. Also, I'm gonna use the query select all from to-dos, and then function find all. Doesn't have any parameter, just return a list of to-do entity. It's wrong. Okay, I think it's good for now. We need to create our app database. I'm gonna create the database. Build the module first, maybe. No, I'm gonna create a database inside the data. Check class app database, or you can use local database. It is totally up to you. And then it's a room database, I think. I forgot. Make this as database, and then the entities, register your entity here, and also give it version, just one for now. It should be an abstract class, and then we need to create abstract function to get the to-do DAO. It will return to-do DAO. It's okay for now, and we need to, I think it needs to be added inside the common module. So yeah, just type room module for what? Sorry, I need to delete this. Why? to do add new Kotlin room module. It's an object module, and then install in singleton component. It's gonna be provides, and then singleton function provide room database. I think room database need a context, so I need to take it as application context. It will return an app database that we are created before. Return room database builder, pass the context, and then also we need the app database class with Java, then give it the database name, and then for example db. For now we'll allow the main thread queries, and then we'll okay. I think we need to edit the module here inside the to-do module. We need to provide the to-do module to be executed inside the to-do repository implementation. So just type here at provides. I think it's gonna be singleton too. First we need to provide the DAO. I think provide to do DAO, because I need an app database. It's app database gonna be return to do DAO. It's gonna be return app database dot to do DAO. Yeah, I think it's okay for now, but this is going to be using the two parameter injected, and add this as to do DAO, and to do DAO, go this comma private file to do DAO, maybe to do that. Okay, in this to do DAO report, in this to do repository implementation, we need to edit this function to get the data first from the local database. So it should be like this: file local to do DAO find all. Gonna emit base result dot success local to dos. Need to be fetch. I'm gonna fetch this to network request if the local to dos is empty. So local to dos is empty. Gonna move this up here. If result if local to dos is empty, it's gonna remove to dos. If result is best result dot success, and then I will save locally result dot data. Gonna create a function. Why it's error? Save locally. It's a produce entity, I think. List to do entity to do DAO dot insert all to dos. I think we don't need a try and catch exception. Yeah, I think it's good for now. We're gonna run this on next video.